students, today I am going to discuss about class 8 ICSE course chapter number 4 of biology, that is the circulatory system. So today we are going to discuss about the question answers under this chapter. D. Answer the following questions. First, what are the various components of blood and what are their functions? So, the components of blood are, first is RBCs, that is red blood corpuscles or red blood cells. So these cells are those cells which carries the oxygen and the minerals which are being transferred after oxygenated of the blood. These RBCs also carry hemoglobin, which is the major part of that blood which should be present in our body. If not, various diseases can be takes place. Then is WBCs. WBCs is white blood corpuscles or white blood cells. So those cells are the cells which are there to fight against any foreign body which are present in our body. If you have seen in the fever case, so sometimes your body get very heated. This is because whenever white blood cells are being fighted, heat is generated there, so that's why your body becomes very hot. Then blood platelets. So blood platelets are the major role playing in our human body, as if some infections takes place in our body, some cuts or injuries are there, so the platelets, the plate-like structure of a blood goes there and settle down, so that the skin may be replaced after that dead skin that is being infected or some injury is there. What is rhesus factor? So rhesus factor is a factor which is being discovered by a scientist through a monkey which is known as rhesus monkey. This factor is being named on the base of a monkey because whenever the classifications of human beings and animals, plants are being going on, then in the classifications of animals, when scientists were studying it about, then they got some specialized primates of that monkeys. Now they are not present, but earlier they were. So they found a positive and a negative sign blood groups, and then this was discovered that whenever the blood will be transformed from one body to another, then we have to first check the blood group, and second thing is we have to check the rhesus factor. If not match, then the blood will be clotted in a human body, and then this can lead to the death of the person. The person who is consisting the rhesus factor, they have the Rh positive factors, so their blood group, any type of blood group, will be in positive sign, and the person who is not consisting of rhesus monkey factor, they will be not consisting the positive sign, they will consist of Rh negative factor. Then name the blood vessels that carry blood from the cardiac muscles to the heart. So that is pulmonary arteries, which carries our blood to the cardiac muscles so that it may be pumped, then sent to the lungs to oxygenate it, and then they will go to our body for sending the minerals and nutrients to our body. What is palpitation? So palpitation is a common condition in our human body in which whenever you're scared or any fear is there, anxiety, your heartbeat, the rhythm of the heartbeat will be changed. Sometimes the heart may skip the beats. Also your heart beats will be very faster than they were, and if this will be regular process, then it may take to high blood pressure. Then what is hypertension? How does it harm us? So hypertension is a common conditions of our human, and in such cases it may be converted to a serious disease for long time, which may cause again and again, that is high blood pressure. Hypertension means whenever you are in hyper conditions, or sometimes you may be feeling not good, or also your heart is skipping the beats, and the primary pacemakers which are present in our body, they may not produce a simpler and a straight pulses, or the beat, the rhythm which is given to the heart is not consisting very much better. The heartbeat is being increased day by day, so this may lead to the high blood pressure, and it harm us by concluding day by day our, in such of the cases, the blood vessels are being busted. Because of that, blood vessels are not stronger to hold that pressure which is being given to that blood vessels by the heart. What is the difference between heart attack and cardiac arrest? So, heart attack is different from cardiac arrest, as we know, because in heart attack, similarly, our heart stops beating suddenly, and it can be cured if you go to the hospital very soon, and if not, the person may die. This is a serious matter. Whenever a person get a heart attack, he have a very serious pain in his heart or in the chest, and after that it may be a serious condition to the heart attack. If not cured soon, the person may get died. And the cardiac arrest, the hearts skip the beats, and then the person may get die, because whenever the cardiac muscles are there which are being pumping, heart is not pumping, the cardiac muscles are pumping, so that the pressure which is being created by the cardiac muscles, they may send the blood to the parts of the body and a small to small organs. So then whenever the cardiac arrest happens, the cardiac muscle stops pumping the blood, and then the person get die because of not getting the blood, and the blood oxygen is also present, so if not given, then the person may get die. Name the components in the lymphatic system. So in the lymphatic systems, it is consisting the components. First is lymph, second is lymph vessels, third is lymph nodes. So these are some components which are present in our lymphatic systems, and they help us fight against the diseases of bones also. It consists and also give relief to our bones, as they are helpful for stretching our bones, which is also needed. Then write some common diseases of the heart. Some common diseases which are undertaken, the observations of heart diseases. First one is heart attack, second is palpitation, third is cardiac arrest, third is hypertension, and fourth is high blood pressure. So these are some of the diseases which are undertaken, the heart diseases. So I hope you understood the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.